no wobetimi dia bana ya pape e dia wom sana etimi abo nyame anim ne eno ada etiare siri a matches ni bi etodwa na ohe game etodwa anope ye de onkoma kakra e de Ibrahimta bobo kono mu chi pisa ebo mu nterensia ama pisa etimu mieno abranta de Daddy Zielinski onya penalty on the 39th minute ana onya sako no Lautaro Martinez enso enya go Esposito enya ne de enya Dimarco ana fe bone ana Henrik Mkhitaryan wedi mrante omonso eto no adi ama Inter Milan boboko na anom de eba branta ni din enso edi Mario wano ana onya sa 2 goals ni nyina edema pisa boboko ni sisia no matisa eto dwane ayamiansa yebenya Como womo ani Torino ebo na fie na Fiorentina boboko no womo ni Cagliari Calcio na ebo na yenya Lecce womo ani team ani Daddy SS Lazio edi sia nti anu ya matisa enede eba so etena matis ni bi trende Sassuolo boboko no womo ni Cremonese na ebo Atalanta wamane Parma Calcio ebo yebenya Genoa ene Bologna na yenya Juve wamane AS Napoli enso ebo yenya AS Roma wamane AC Milan na ebo nti area matches anom atada so ba so Monday na football yebenya Haras Verona wamo ene Udinese na ebo afi league table no awo Serie A no sai na nkomane esitia upeti mani dine adi Inter wamo ana Serie A no ekro mo so league table ne dendende na enya sam ketu akra wamo awo 52 points after AC Milan atosumi no mo 46 points anse no ba benya Napoli wo mo tosumi ansa wo mo 43 points after AS Roma atosu 9 wo mo 42 points and after 39 points no ekra Juve wo mo tosu enum nsia aye Como boboko na wo mo awo 37 points I know your reporter eba awo dwumadi so eba na internato de Lautaro Martinez wo no ekra 12 goals Christian Pulisic ekra 8 goals wo benya Nico Pass wo no ekra 8 goals after Kenan Yildiz ekra 7 goals Rafael Leao ekra 7 goals after Akancha Hanoglu ekra 7 Ricardo Oslane ekra 7 Marcus Thuram ekra 6 goals ubenya Matias Sule wono ekra 6 goals Rasmus Hojlund wono ekra 6 goals Santiago Castro womo nyina ekra 6 anom aye reporter efi Charen Serie eba ewo dwumade so na no penam yakate ediama na woko friendly ana eno ada PSG boboko no ati ejo ojio ebo matena ba kwa womo entimante Brady Bacola wono nya the only goal edema PSG boboko no ana ya 3 matches ana etwende Stade Rennais wombe tena fiomene Laurent na ebo na yenya Le Havre womo ni AS Monaco ebo game na yenya Olympique to Marseille womo any RCD Lens game no etima twende etena da matches 26 na City Nantes womo any OG series na ebo na yenya Stade Brassois womo ni Toulouse ebo afa Met any Lyon na ebo Paris FC and womo ansuni Yankes game no etima twende afa yebenya Le Metropole any Strasbourg game nti area matches eno so etena da etota na say ana oko friendly kana omu table ne esitia PSG 45 points omo ana LED RC Lens ewo 43 points when you 35 points Olympique to Marseille eno ne kroma fe Lyon enso toso 9 womo 33 points 32 points no ekwa Le Metropole mo toso num ensia ya Stade Rennais womo 31 points eno ya reporter eno so eba our friendly an na abantina to ne dia say the city Mason Greenwood wono kra 12 goals ho afa Joaquin aye Penechele wono ekra 10 goals wubenya Esteban aye Lipon wono ekra 9 goals afa Pavard aye switch so no ekra 9 goals ho Wesley aye Said wono ekra 8 goals ana Brady Bacola eno adam ne goal no said abamna babenya aye 7 goals and sana Odsoni aye Edward wono kra 7 ho afa Ilan aye Cabal ekra 7 goals ene duto na so etwana atumisa ene manyina aye kama ho no ma Ansu Fati ne 6 goals no boy na no ana gusu ekwa Ansu Fati enti komani ne mamenko La Liga na menni nkoma kakwa wo ko La Liga na so no ada 11 wo mu bo game na enya samketo akra Branta de din ade di aye La Fuente wonum enya go ansana Martin enya ne de ansana Branta de din so ade Matoro wonum so enya go we ni ntira me no wo mu anso ebo eche boya ana aye Rodriguez wo mu na enya sa 2 goals no ade mo na ene matches etotwanom eno ye 4 matches Raya Vanacano Wamo tenafie, wamo Sasuna na Ebo, na yenya Valencia, wamo any Aspire Bebo, afe Sevilla, eba tenafie na Alate Cloud Bebel, ebi yesieri na afe Madrid, akwa koto Villarreal, na omusu game na tima trendem, etena da matches a eba sono, Atletico Madrid, wamo Real Mallorca na Ebo, yebenya Barcelona wamo tenafie, any Rio Oviedo, ebi yesieri na yenya Real Sociedad, wamo ni Celta Vigo ebebo, na yenya Deportivo Alaves, wamo ni Real Betis edisieni, entano La Liga matches Ebaso Monday football. Yebenya juri na bobo kono. Womani hetefe ana ebo afe woba foma league table no say ne sitia Basro na bobo kono na LED 49 points and the cramo. Wobenya Madrid. Womo 48 points womo tosumi no via we tosumi asa. Womo 41 points. Na wabenya Atletico Madrid. Womo so etoso 9. Womo 41 points. Espanyol Barcelona. 34 points. Womo toso enum ensia ayeri Betis bobo kono. Sababa pe no mu table ne esitia. Eba ne ntenato ne dia. Kylian Mbappe Lotem. Ekwa 19 goals ho. Vidat Muruki. Ekwa 4 goals. Ferran Torres. Ekwa 11 goals. Robert Lewandowski. Ekwa 9 goals. Alberto Moreno. Enso ekwa 8 goals. Juan Hernandez. Ekwa 8 goals. Anti Budme. Ekwa 8 goals Hafinha ekwa 7 goals Ubenya Borja Iglesias wano ekwa 7 goals Julian Alvarez wasa 7 goals na Abrante na cap eno anti na amanfo dodo na amese omufisa Abrante nya transfer wabako no ababenya Lamine Yamal Lamine so oka 7 enya de se Lamine so no etwande anti enkoma kakwa so a efi La Liga edi ebane na no pe ye katire edi ama menko German Bundesliga na menni nkoma kakwa uko Bundesliga eno ada womusu one game na etoda Sempoli womu any Hamburger SV and the boys sa game no bia ma trankasa but then womusu matches no 5 solid matches ana etrande Leverkusen Bayern no for Leverkusen womu tenafie womu ne feta Bremen bebo ne yenya Bayern Munich womu tenafie eno Osbeck ediasia dem afie benya Eintracht Frankfurt womu ni tie Hoffenheim na ebo Hedenium betenafie womu ni RB Leipzig ediasia ne na yenya Menso 5 womu so any Forsberg and ebo na fe Union Berlin atenafie aton Borussia Dortmund entani ya matches eno atwande ewo pato German Bundesliga Sunday eno yetena Borussia Mönchengladbach womu tenafie womu ni Stuttgart na ebo ni yanya Freiburg womu sini FC Cologne edisia nti sababa pem ano matches ni chicha na eba table ni dia Bayern Munich bobo kono enkrofo no yado ma biere nya sam ketwa 50 points and ekromo womu na LED table no Borussia Dortmund etosumi no 39 points na waba benya tie di Hoffenheim womu etosumi asa womu 33 points after Stuttgart etosu 9 womu 33 points na waba benya RB Leipzig womu 32 points womu tosu enum ensia ay Bayern no for Leverkusen ay 29 points and ekromo ebane ntenato dia sisia na kamia sa Hurricane ana ntenato no enema ya kama Edman 21 goals ana Brantana sem Dennis Wundaf ekwa 10 goals Michael Olise ekwa 10 goals Haris Tabakovic ekwa 9 goals Luis Diaz ekwa 9 goals Ubenya Jonathan Baggett wano enso ekwa 8 goals Said Mala wano ekwa 7 goals na wanya Christophe Bungatna wano kwa 6 goals afe Fisnik Oslane wano ekwa 6 goals na wababenya Jane Stage wano kwa 6 goals afa Brantani Dean Adi Romelu Cruz wano su kwa 6 goals ansana Serge Gnabry ekwa 6 goals Sewu Gurase ekwa 6 goals Jean Diamonde ekwa 6 goals Kan Wuzan ekwa 6 honti sababa pana ehone janom etitia na no pe meka che kakra adiama wansisia hodo so ma yamna do obi agidi sa the most exciting league and your Premier League no yeni nkoma kakra na oba Premier League no ma and the matches in the total West Ham United or Mutinafie, woman Sunderland the elbow and the kickoff at 12:30 after matches Akano at 3 p.m. and at 20 Burnley, woman Tinafie Tottenham Hotspur at the Sierra and Fulham, woman and Brighton and Hove Albion and so Airborne Patrol Manchester United and with 1-2 wonders na elbow na Yana AFC Pema for more and Liverpool came at Timatra and your matches at Tottenham at Diakane Jebenya Brentford one bet Tinafie and Nottingham Forest Forest and your media CNA and Afe Yabenya Chelsea and Crystal Palace and Pato Yahweh and Chelsea for an echo and Tibewindia Ebeka and so Newcastle Everton Fiona Aston Villa and the CNA Manchester United big game hala no against Arsenal when the Manchester for now Moya Gagai and Chelsea Massa we move somebody we move some when Arsenal for no said Jamus City and ya heard the Ebecom at Canada na Manchester Yenya Everton one any Leeds United table there say the City 50 points and the crowd Arsenal Bobo Kono Gabi 7 points difference Manchester City 43 points one toss me no and Mensa Aston Villa one more 43 points now about Manchester United one more 35 points one more toss so Enumensia Chelsea Bobo Kono and in Komani na ebanentina tuane dia Alan Holland 20 goals one na LED ana afe Aigo Thiago ana say go Thiago one 16 goals no anya Antoine Semenyo 10 goals na Equano Dominic Calvert-Lewin Equa 9 goals Hugo Iketike Equa 8 goals na wanya Bruno Guimaraes one kwa 8 goals ubenya Danny Welbeck one 8 goals Jean-Philippe Mateta one 8 goals Brani Mbiomo Equa 7 afe Eli Junior Krupi one Equa 7 goals. Harry Wilson, Equa 7. Joao Pedro, Equa 7. Morgan, Rogers, Equa 7. Oli Watkins, Equa 7. Phil Foden, Equa 7. Richarlison, Equa 7. Anafe Nick Votamade, one so Equa 7 goals. Anum Adia Etota, Premier League man on panel. Yadin Command be added Dante, about in Toronto, the offer whole of Europe, the top 5 are Hurricane, Anna and Trato and Yama, Kama. So Edman Andy Costa Yantwaswe.
Okay, quickly, young transfer na and no pay stories. I was a one Sakabiano. Yeah, the update I'm for you show so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM now. Quickly, you can say FF Africa, your continent is essentially and himself African Cup of Nations. Yeah, name of weekends where matches are ever so a group stages matches, Edema Cup Champions League, and Africa Cup Confederations Cup, and Ebaso. Now, my man Phantom himself, Oko Champions League, and now Friday in your 2 games are Ebaso. Now, not the ugly team at Cairo, Egypt. We share 2 young Africans from Tanzania. Woman Antimante, not the Tessa Andra, Nadi Ali, Woman Gema Ebasono, a player first Mahmoud Ahmed, Ibrahim Hassan, Dudona Fene Trezege, when they share 2 goals, and Nadi Alia, young Africans from Tanzania, Woman Antimante, and what she can say, Mamelodi Sundowns, Demawan Sandawana, Woman Trefi Lucas Masterpiece Stadium, the city of Pretoria, Woman and Hilal Omduman, about 2-2. Now, the Tessa Ayabrantia, Jafan say Abdurazek Ome, and the Kasha first goal, and my away side there from say Hilal Omduman from Sudan, and when she Abrantia first say Atta Cells, ever taken Edma Sundowns, Emma Tapeho Makwena, about second goal Edma Sundowns, and Sana, Abrantia first say Abdurazek Ome, as ever taken Amana 2-2, and the second Ebasuno, Mamelodi Sundowns, woman and Hilal Omduman, about 2-2 South Africa, and now pay the ones him, Emma Tifonia El Shonoso. Now, and next Saturday, your match is Libya Ebaso, our Cup Champions League. Now, the Tessa and the Power Dynamos, Winfrey Zambia, Gum et Trefi, Omani Rivers United from Nigeria and Ebo, and what she Esperanto Tunis, El Tunisia, Gum and the Simba from Tanzania, Ebo, Afejias Kabili, El Algeria, Gum and the Farabat from Morocco, Ebo, Nafe, Aras Bekeni Atrefi, El Morocco, na Omani Pyramid from Egypt, Gum Abaso. Nyakopaya Dma Ochina Sunday na Ochina Yawa Saint Oloi Lupopo woman for DR Congo woman MC Orges from Algeria Ebebo and what she start Malian El Mali woman Petro Atletico from Angola and Ebo we air matches and Yami Adma and after Ochina Sunday Ebasu El group stages in El Cup Champions League and Anopeno Yere want some Emma Tilfoina El Shonoso after Africa Champions League na Yanko Cup Confederations Cup na and Saturday USM Orges from Algeria, woman Jolly Bob from Mali and Ebo, Yami Adma Ochina Sunday, Nairobi United El Kenya, woman Azam from Tanzania Ebo, Zesco El Zambia, woman Kaiser Chief Ebo, and what is San Pedro every Ivory Coast, woman Tima, from the Olympic de Safi from Morocco Ebo, and what she Zengeda Black Stars El Tanzania, woman Tima, you're from say FC Otoyo Do from Congo, and Ebo, Afesi Al Belouizdad El Algeria, woman Stellenbosch from South Africa. Africa airborne with that Athletic Club El Morocco wom any Minima FC from DR Congo airborne na Zamalek Atiafi El Amaya she from say Egypt na omani Al-Masri also from Egypt we all Egyptian affair and Nyami Aduma watching airborne so El CAF Confederations Cup Numa and on a payer wants him Ematil Fonia El Show live on Nhyira 104.5 FM after free African na Yamra Europe na Uber Europe Hayako Premier League game so far Jabo matches best 22 El Premier League game na unim say Ufa Club CBA Obia top scorer Premier League phone Adiaba na Yezo Uko Man City Alan Haaland Edikain was at 20 goals at the Man City and watch Brentford I go Thiago one and a more goals 16 after Antoine 7 years more goals and my team from say Bournemouth was at 10 goals after Dominic Calvert-Lewin one and a top scorer at Leeds United was at 9 goals Dan Welbeck a top scorer at Brighton Hove Albion or 8 goals and watch Jean Philippe Mateta as a more goals at a player bia and my team from say Crystal Palace and 8 goals after Hugo Kitike as 8 goals and my team from Liverpool Bruno Guimaraes 8 goals and my Newcastle United Morgan Rogers as 7 and my Aston Villa Oli Watkins 7 one also as my Aston Villa and watch Chelsea top scorer Brandt first Joao Pedro was at 7 goals Harry Wilson Eboma Tima je from Fulham one also at 7 goals after Brian Mbuemo one also top scorer Manchester United was at 7 goals Richarlison top scorer and my team from Tottenham Hotspur was at 7 goals Gerard Bowen as more goals and my team je from West Ham United than any other player and 6 goals after Victor Joy Carres 5 goals Arsenal Leandro Trossard L5 after Jaden Anthony and after Zian Fleming Womianina about animal team from Sebelli Wom Asha 5 goals apiece after Morgan Gibbs White L5 goals animal Nottingham Forest your player friends Tiro Barry Wasina Ka Edema Everton and Wachi Kenan Dewsbury Hall and Eleman in Diai Womian Sanya Asha 4 goals animal team you're from Everton and Wachi your brand Buobe Wasina Ka Animal Sunderland Wilson Aisedo one also about animal Sunderland 2 players in Asha 4 goals and my team from Sunderland after Santiago Bueno about animal of Anti Wonders Juan Hichan one also Esinakai animal Wolves and Wachi around Tefans Ladresrap Christie and after Matthias Mani na Chese of Anti Wonders 4 players women in home top scorers 2 goals no wonder say offer Premier League table na a team from Anti Wonders women in the chat to another payno yara won sempina ema tifonya show so na yenim say a team from Senegal wom energy African Cup of Nations edisi omona so na in the history of Senegal we and the second time omaji AFCON edi esi omona so na and no pay say we a Ghana player na usiwa kan edema the Blasters of Ghana e wo say utie no 10 years say AFCON no wogia enyo mamu kra na boje so wo call club so a ye woje so pa na Senegal players na after say gomaji AFCON obi e call ne club anaso okobo edema ne club dika emam Sadio Mane Wasina Ka Anima Anase El Saudi Arabia na way under time Sadio Mane Kodre na Anasa players he Inigo Martinez and watch Cristiano Ronaldo Kingsley Coman and watch Abrantia first Marcelo Brozovic woman yina aba Abrantia Shafasa Sadio Mane Abona Basa why dia pa say what maji African Cup of Nations and yama omaya from Senegal yentie anno sadi enormous cause El Anasa woman training ground.
How are you feeling, guys? Senegal boy. King of Senegal.
Nhyira fan.
Congratulations.
Nhyira fan.
Very smart. Very smart.
Akenti we the Taranga Lions of Senegal almost superstar fans Sadio Mane and Andro Kopimo Anasa almost 20 grams out here say Anasa players no enwachi manager fans George Jesus womo bo Abrante fans Sadio Mane abaso say obana umade agi AFCON any amaya you from Senegal and ano pay no yere won sam emeti fo nyina e show so na anya no kwa okọ Tottenham Hotspur womo Senegal player fans Papi Matasa one also buy na obai no manager fans Thomas Frank whenever Richarlison and Kosia Abrante first Papi Matasa Yenti Andra said the normal as he calls our Tottenham Hotspur woman 20 grounds.
Hello.
Good.
Nhyira fan.
You good? That looks nice, huh? Yeah, it's nice. Oh, really? Very good. Congratulations.
It's just amazing, you know, because the people like they are always behind us, and then they deserve this second medal for them and for us, of course. And yeah, everybody's happy, and we are all happy. Yeah, I'm happy to be back.
How are you feeling, guys?
Okay, said you know my so Andrew Tottenham Hotspurs woman 20 grounds our time a mobile around first a papi matamsa and abaso say why idea say why afcon idea see now so and I penny I don't want them Emma Tiffany El Cholosana the tense Senegal person you ever so say around Tiffany say El Hadji Malik Diop El West Ham United and also woman boy at the Geneso and Wachi Uko Ali El Saudi Arabia around Tiffany say Edward Mendy one also a mobile at the Geneso name member so name the tense and stories and I pay Eban Oko Tottenham Hotspurs and I pay report on Second and they say around Tiffany say Lucas Balva Wakakopra now according to Spurs for almost boy no Wakaku just can it says the last game Amobo edited team from say somebody team from say Borussia Dortmund our UEFA Champions League no Lucas Balva Ekunya left ankle injury enti Wakaku just can na scan enya mai oba any be hu timer around Tiffany say Lucas Balva what tranche what team mobo from team from say Tottenham Hotspur and on pay yare wonsem e Tiffany na e show no so na what wo into num say Gabi e ka say around Tiffany say Julian Alvarez wo be hot cake e Europe e say crabs akasia no dodo na gidie pass omunya around Tiffany say Julian Alvarez amope na me kai pa Andra ye be story e ma say Chelsea for no wo so say omunya Julian Alvarez wo so epe e na no pay reporter me say ka say Arsenal wo so say womunya around Tiffany say Julian Alvarez wo pe na mame Arsenal wo sporting director wo pani say Andre Bata na ye say transfer window e be winter you know opani no asase aye course na course na wo Arsenal say womunya two players bako aye left winger bako aye striker na left winger de enyamai nemom striker no de meme seka and say Arsenal for say omo two option bako aye Atletico Madrid go player na fan Julian Alvarez and what he eta a young esinaka animal event one so Arsenal for scout no it is a commodore the Arsenal will make him move na fe wo ma so omenya left winger and a striker and a be so team na fe wie kama and a Arsenal team no na ye ka Julian Alvarez won sense say enya Arsenal ko and a pom a team from the FC Barcelona almost say go mo pe abrantia Jeffrey say Julian Alvarez Emma eba cross say Deco and Julian Alvarez agent according komo na Fernando Hidalgo one an agent anima Julian Alvarez na Fernando say ensem na abani nyina no eye rumors na Barca sporting director for say Deco and in Asia, any Comobia about Abrantia, Jeffrey Julian Alvarez. Now the Wetmaka and say Alvarez our contract, our Atletico Madrid. It is a Upe Julian Alvarez, it was a Uko straight to Atletico Madrid. Woman board no so na Henrico Sarazo, one and a president, Anima Tima, Jeffrey say Atletico Madrid. It was a Uko, now no Coding Como, say Omojitum so Omaton Julian Alvarez, woman the only problem piano, woman boy ever Casanafe. Guma jan amana kwena no pay no jare sempina ebe tiefo nyina e so so na Manchester United me baso nemom di kan e ma me abrantia Jeffrey El Hadji Malik Diop or Senegal player obekia me di kan ya tone se Senegal for no wo kom clubs a omo baso pa na Andra El West Ham guma bo abrantia Jeffrey El Hadji Malik Diop abaso e chese wo no mo de pa e wo se AFCON final ko e penalty e ma e kadwie Cameroon e ge AFCON e de so na so nemom ni nyina mu no Senegal energy edition na so enunti West Ham United ebo El Hadji Malik Diop abaso Okenti El Haliji Malik Diouf and our tenant Casa Origin West Ham United and Nano Pino Yaron Sempina Emma Tifoina El Shonoso na Yakoyan Manchester United es has an anno per report on Seka and it said United for us on my Japa now almost last week Omugema one boy edited the Sky Blues of Manchester City one say hours and I say when hours now just a best 2 hours 3 hours and I say 4 hours before the game woman line up and leak here now United for the GDA pass you'll be our dressing room one and a distance moneno eti omashase alanche ade first investigation woman say on person who dia san line up manager first Michael Carrick enyan fama ye na atime leaky amansem chofo ensaka na me kai pa na no Saturday and am be catch us our pre-match press conference and a City boss first Pep Guardiola e be kan say uni team bia ekoba eya na manager no study no essence more matches eti ube betima hu ni game plan name Michael Carrick na aye the first game and my team from Man United enti wo shede nimti kwase say Pep Guardiola and a small women ko ekwa sare no Manchester United am do si room emre ene enkrabia ene be kire eno aye nsem kakra free Man United wo ma so ba enano pay no yede update emetifo nyina e show so away from Manchester United yemra Chelsea essence omo pay player na ko Palmer e wonsem aba na obeke Andra ye be store animal say Manchester United wo mo no mo kase wo pe ko Palmer nimo omo se ko Palmer si wo no so no na we Manchester United supporter eti kuntunu he a Nhyira na ko eti e ma se wo ko Manchester ene Manchester United ana obeko na yese wo Chelsea board no so a wo mo se abrante first ko Palmer untouchable wo mo tona enyeye na Chelsea wo mo plans ana se Chelsea plans wo mo di egu akwa mo nyina no abrante ya first ko Palmer e ka wo mo gi ko Palmer di ye pa wo mo gi di ye pa se epra ene ha abrante first ko Palmer na se ko Palmer full fitter na ni beje e wo Chelsea enti abrante first ko Palmer untouchable na mame Liam Rossinia wo na Chelsea manager andra Chelsea manager na pre-match press conference eba so no Yakubu say ko Palmer na ni o na yatete se opeso ko o fa ne say Liam Rossinia say ono bai no woni abrante first ko Palmer edin komo numerous times na boy ne se o ka che ne bibia nkire say abrante first ko Palmer go be ko anase obeko na un say Chelsea game mbo editia Brentford no eduru ba bi na abrante first ko Palmer frustrated manager na say ni injury issue no na ko Palmer ne hu say e was say Chelsea e money bobia no go on in the kan e was say Chelsea team no edisiwo enti ogidi e pass bibianzi abrante first ko Palmer ebetena we Liam Rossinia the Blues of Chelsea one manager.
I've had numerous conversations with Cole and he seems very, very happy to be here. He is very, very happy to be here. He's a huge part of our plans in the long term. He's an outstanding player. Every player goes through difficult moments in their careers in terms of injury. I don't think it's any reflection on his quality. He's an outstanding footballer. But my job and the club's job is to get him in a place where he can consistently perform at the level that he wants to. And there was frustration in the Brentford game, not because he wasn't happy here, just because he couldn't perform. He was in pain. He couldn't perform to the level he wanted to do for the club. He's a great kid, and he's an outstanding player, but we have to make sure that we look after him in the right way. That's why I haven't involved him in the last game.
Okay, we Chelsea manager first Liam Rossinia and our tenant kasa okasa ada for Chelsea one player na first ko Palmer when no pay yere update emetifo nyina e show no so and wachi yenim say Chelsea team no wo mo ekwa we Selhurst Park wo mo ene Crystal Palace enable manager na say ye fa to obi yenim say one oba na games ha wo bia no wo sua de pa na de obetima ka ene say Crystal Palace team no bon omunim bo enti e say Chelsea team no wo mo prepare say be a game wo mo bo ene Crystal Palace no Chelsea ebetima fa win yentie Chelsea manager ye fan Liam Rossinia.
Lessons loads in terms of individual performances, in terms of the improvements that I've asked for. There's been really, really positive signs. I thought our counter-pressing and our energy levels and our intensity was very, very good in the last few games. That needs to continue. And so, yeah, there's loads of lessons for me and my staff to learn, and there's probably a lot more to come as well.
You're enjoying it?
Loving it. What I do know is they're an outstanding team. Selhurst Park is, for me, one of the most difficult places to go in the Premier League. You have to be ready for a physical battle. The atmosphere in the stadium is going to be red hot. So we're not taking the game lightly at all. I was fortunate enough to play against Crystal Palace early in the season. I know what a good team they are, and we're going to have.
Okay, Liam Rossinia, Chelsea manager no, and I'm attending Casa or Casa head of gamer, Chelsea team Aquawe, Eddie Tetima, you're from Sir Crystal Palace, and I'll tell Liam Rossinia, say, and I'll pay all Casano. Now, you can Chelsea with him answer, says Chelsea for the say, almost per center back, Emma Abasa Rene, woman center back, and I for the say, Jeremy Jacquet, one and a Chelsea for the say, almost pay, and I'll pay Oko Germania, according to Build, reporter Meseka, and it said by a Munchin, woman center defender for the Kim Minjai, you see Chelsea for the Omunyamupe, Naboy in our 29 years. I'm saying manager first Vincent Company Ebayano, Kim Minjai, Esra Enya Bonibi more, Etiboni Enya by Munchina over free. You see Chelsea for us interest. Say Omunya Kim Minjaya, Wom Adeneba Stamford Bridge and pay. Yara was some Emma Tilfon El Shono so. Na Andra, Metituana, Menko Twitter, Yankoni Yankosha, you say Madrid manager, fans say Avalo Abelu say Wakach Abra Tiafani say Trent Alexander-Arnold say on penona when your team are uncle and I pay yes a room of sleep minano and yanokre na enya dia avalo abelua koka ebetima kasada na yase Madrid board no enuachi manager first avalo abelua wo nyina gidie pass boy oba Madrid no eye pra ene ha no na omo gidie e woni mu say in a long term abrantie fan say Trent Alexander-Arnold ebetima bo ama Madrid baby omo pese omo kono omo timako enti abrantie first Trent Alexander-Arnold Madrid for say omo ntona ena no payere wonsem emetie fo nyina e o show no so na Madrid akwa way Estadio di Ceramica wom ene Villarreal ene bo a big game and on a pay report am seka and it says nyame aduma bibia ansesa we a possible lineup manager your first Avalo Abelua and bebo ade tia Villarreal around first Thibaut Courtois and the goal post room back four Federico Valverde go ball right back and watch around first Raul Asensio Dian Hoysen and about center back you know and watch Avalo Carreras about left back in fifth you know about Adam Gule, Eduardo Camavinga, and Jude Bellingham, and watch any moon right side. I have brought first Franco Mastantuano, Kylian Mbappe, Ebegina 9, and a Vinicius Junior about left side. Never say, Guba Nhyira 104.5 FM, YouTuber. The Ushenom. Abrant first Vinicius Junior Diano once a question mark at the home and Tibet Maba say Abia manager ever raste Abrant first Vinicius Junior and I pay Yaran was some Emma Tifonia El Shono so now your cost to be training grounds and one Arsenal I am train the Gunners woman in the Premier League so now the Mimi second for the first time this season we Abrant first Mas Daman Edini Fua Arsenal El full squad and I say Ricardo Calafiori one Pierre Hencapier woman in a training Tidia Wuche Pierre Hencapier, one Ricardo Calafiori, Anra, that's how two boys in Epra, woman return at the Arsenal, woman 20 grounds, na Michaela Teta, I say you for two boys, no, Yami Adma and on my final assessment, na assessment on Machine, so one measure say Ometimabo, and they Manchester United, and I say Omutimi more infantia, team from Manchester United, na Yakasa Timbi, Ewo Tima, and I say almost squadra, a team from Arsenal. Mommy Arsenal squad name. Woman first starting lineup. Say in the city David Uraya. Ebeda go post room. Julian Timber. After first William Saliba. Woman Gabriel Megahertz. Ricardo Calafiori. And fifth Declan Rice. Martin Odegaard. Martin Zubimendi. After any moon Ebereche Eze. Victor Joy Carres and Bukayo Saka. What a team. Na Timbino Ensunie. Kepa Arrizabalaga. And a go post room. Ben White. Pierre Hencapier. Mascara and Wachi, Mas Luis Kelly, and Fifin Mikel Marino, Abran Tefes and Waneri, after Abran Tefes Christian Nogard, after Madueke Kai Harvest, and after Gabriel Martinelli. It is an answer for no GDA, so Ometimagi Premier League edition Nazwa, BBH evidence war, one more team papa, Michaela Teta, where manager Adama Arsenal, manager say Omedio Metimibia, Serbia Manchester United, way at the Gunners Arsenal, or manager Michaela Teta.
Well, obviously, Michael coming in is going to bring new ideas. Always the intensity rises up. You could see in the derby in Manchester the kind of behaviors and the game that they played. So, we expect a really tough match. We will adapt to that for sure. But we are at home and we know how important that game is for us. Yeah, and you guys sell it so well, especially in Spain. You could see the tension and the rivalry and those individual battles that they were there as well that make the game really, really special. So, obviously two massive clubs that they've been fighting at the highest level.
Okay, we Mikel Arteta manager and man the Gunners Arsenal and our tenant Casa or Casano. None opposite number the Red Devils of Manchester United. One manager first Michael Carrick where caretaker manager. Na manager say omu resource or omunyari tia city no na aye kama pa na obaye no once Manchester United awon keka no e kosro pa a big game tia Arsenal we Michael Carrick.
I mean, I can't say anything apart from the obvious. You know, it's been a good week. I think it was a big result, big performance, and a big kind of big uplift. You know, with the feeling and inside the stadium and it's getting that balance. You know, between taking the encouragement and the confidence from the game itself and the performance, and keeping level-headed and with feet on the ground. Now we've got another big game coming up, and one game doesn't change and make you a great team. It gives us a great foundation.
Okay, we are the Red Devils of Manchester United manager. Your first Michael Carrick and our tenenka say Okasan ahead of Nyami Aduma. Woman away our Emirates Stadium. Woman league leaders Arsenal and Ebo and our team United caretaker manager say Okasa and Ano Pino. Yere update Emma Tilfonia El Shonoso. Na Yoko Liverpool es has a Tottenham Hotspur. Ako Liverpool. Woman say Omuhia Liverpool. Woman left Barca. Your first Andy Robertson. Na the women second say one idea. What yet to say Tottenham person obako esan say manager your first say and slot ema ye no we should ehuni future our team you from say Liverpool am say Milos Kerkic so we fitter what and about ahead of no abrantia your first say Robertson and I say abrantia first say Andy Robertson now the me say team from say Liverpool echo away our Vitality Stadium wom any Bournemouth and echo now the me say and say boy no wom and ne ko boy do Bobby na ebetima say the Antoine Semenyo we born the last game any team from say Bournemouth and sana woko City no ni nyina mu no na City for any Bournemouth agree na mum boy echo the me say ka any say nyame aduma boy no Bobby na nyame aduma Wednesday team you from say Liverpool our Champions League game ofie against Karabakh Afghan FK from Azerbaijan and also boy ebetima wo binemum apart from enono ebiana won timensia kan biem and from a team you from say Liverpool na you say around 10 farewell game we be born on ebetima January 28 and a boy ebebo the farewell game and they mad Liverpool na no pay no you don't want some team for you show no so na story we dem anya kram 70 ase Mami Donald Trump is a senior man no where the 45th and the 47th president of the United States of America na me kaipa MCBS 3 weeks ago ekeka go verse 1 month na we be US of military eko Venezuela ekochi Venezuela go president first Nicolas Maduro and then say we be dinasem United States of America na omo chini wie ya na Donald Trump ebe ka say the next Greenland na Greenland assassin was say what they protect among from say United States of America na say Europe for the po woman po waje esa say Greenland no among from say Denmark omodia na Denmark e kan nato na among from say United States of America woman so e kan nato say akwa twema mentwen na say unia be use force dia na che say nato dem say omontete mu ano no na openia first Donald Trump obeka ade first World Economic Meeting eba so Emma Union can say when you force na say Denmark for at the manner wobaje nemo say owa from na o meka mo da chepa na de me say can say okwa Germany you say Germany omo football federation gomo vice president ayo penia first Oki Gottreich na Oki Gottreich as a president at the team from St. Pauli Germany na o say Germany for consider say o me boycotting yami admo 206 World Cup eba so United States of America Mexico and of Canada ni nyina say o say our premier first Donald Trump why no international gangster ka obi kabi na the open NY na say eba ne san dia ene o so betua san World Cup o mo say Germany man o magi World Cup makoma ko for it is Omama wake up Emma wake up and Monyam eba from na enya no ko omo say ticket price and also e was so enu achi woman say omo the travel ban aba na eba ne say in a country wa qualify ekwa World Cup na was the travel ban ato so ne supporters entimi ko eba ne say e ha dwene pa eti de me say ka say Germany for no egidie pass say see na be kodia eni omo boycott 2026 World Cup na no pay de wonsem e matifo nya el show no so na Gabi yedisi na mom Nikos Klotterbeck were captain Edema Borussia Dortmund eba se Barca for say omo pe left footed centre back ema Nikos Klotterbeck ni din ebai na no pay reporter me say ka say Barca for say wo mo na ka say omo pe Nikos Klotterbeck na mom say omo run out wo mo pe biem na de ti omo pe say omo ka say boy ni wasa bonde oni bopa na mom Hansi Flick player na openo enye bi ene Nikos Klotterbeck wo mo see ni profile no emfete Barca wo mo see ni speed e wo form say Barca e bo handline e tisi wo kia asema ba
Christians wo speed and this
Christians wonya starter
so okay when they na ko ba be start
so mo pele ni go Martinez ko yin
okay
so I come the Gerard Martinez ti go mo pe experience left footed center back
Matthias because any squad player no mo dey ba o mo dey starter na ba asanka ebia
Nikos Klotterbeck so the band fingers of all the next
player bia sa de na nka me refer mo say Christians is oni mlika ontimi nkom mlika sa entino we dey sanka okay era say money adwuma wa kom ye pa na was it eja to mo say
on your say was open Greenland
and Germany for say Greenland no munyina keka neto no ho and this all the brutal force be ya there and no so ma wake up no on fan wake up
atweta bia ni atweta na nam obi agene ne so
hey wake up in say mumu well foreign front ana yerem na message is ojan